Hi there, I'd like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the Chelsea Hobo 32. It does come with the gold color hardware. You could see here, this is, I guess the reason why it stays in this shape because we have a lot of stuff in there. Normally it'll be, a bit on the softer side. It does come with the gold color Coach logo on the front, with a leather hand tag on the side. As you can see, this is a pretty big shoulder bag, and this is the side, and it has a zipper pocket on the bag for keys, and I think it's definitely big enough for cell phone. Let's zip it up the other side, and this is the bottom of the bag. It does come with the this strap here for crossbody wear. And let's take a look on the inside here. As you can see, it has a lot of paper, so let's remove all the paper on the inside. Of course, one more. And then there. Now on the inside here is a very deep compartment. Deep big space here with the linen lining, with two slip pockets on one side and a zipper pocket on the other side. And I'm just gonna put for fun. So it's really deep. Let's compare this to the size of the water bottle right here. The dimension of this bag is about 13 inches in length. It's about 10 and 3/4 inches in height, and about 4 inches in width. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.